Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. My name is Sagar and in this video we'll see how we can create JSON using X++ programming language. So the scenario that I'm going to create here, so basically using my X++ code, I will try to create a JSON, right? So what I will do, I will pick any specific purchase order. Let me say it as purchase ID. Here I will simply display my purchase order number. It could be anything, right? Similarly, I can specify here. Let me go to purchase order first. So I will specify my, just a second here. Yeah, this purchase order status, this purchase status. I'll specify purchase status, and maybe the something like it should be also it's invoiced. And similarly, I will display one more data here. So let's say the vendor account. Okay, that is also I should get something like this JP-001. Okay, so why don't let me pick this particular purchase order only 007. Okay, so for that I will write code. So I will say add. I'm going to add a new runnable class, and I can say my runnable class is SC simple JSON. Okay, so I will wait. Okay, now I can remove this extra piece of code. Now the first thing that you should understand is you need some kind of writer here. Okay, for that you can use your system.input-output function, and you can use your string writer. So nothing, it will simply help us to write. I can create an object for this, that is string writer, and I can say equals to new. I can create an object here, new system.input-output.string writer. All right. Now once this is done, then for JSON I need to use this newtonsoft.json, and I need to use my JSON text writer because I'm going to create a JSON, right? So I can say here JSON text writer. All right. So here I can also create an object of this. I can say it as JSON writer. I will say equals to new. Again, this newtonsoft.json this JSON writer. But now here we need to not this one, JSON text writer, JSON text writer, and here I need to provide this input-output text writer, that is this string writer, right? I've created the object already, string writer. All right, now I can go and I can check. So for example, let me copy this one. I will copy. I will use my purge table. So I can say a purge table. I will create an object of my table, and I'm going to use this find method. So I can say purge table, scope resolution, find, and here I have to specify my purchase order ID. On this one, let me go ahead and copy it again. All right, now this is done. All right, yeah. So now what I will do, I can use this JSON writer dot. So I can use this write start object here. Okay, so basically it will tell me that I need to start my JSON, and then at the end I'm going to end it as well, right? So I can say JSON writer dot write end object. So this code will simply generate the starting and end braces for me. Okay, and now what I need this JSON content, right? So that's why now I'll need to start writing. I can say my JSON writer dot write property name. Okay, and here I can specify label, but what I will do, let me go to here. So here I'm going to specify exactly this particular perch ID here. So I will say perch ID and I will close it out. Similarly, I can say again JSON writer. This time, as I've specified my LHS, like my left hand side, what should be the name? Now at the right hand side, I need the data, right? So I can use my write value method here, write value. And here from my perch table, I can get my perch ID. Okay. So now what it will do till, this, like here, basically I have created, this much, like this line, and this line. Now I need to add these two as well. So I will copy my perch status. We'll make it somewhat good perch status, and here I can say vend count. Let's give some good name. Okay, and perch status. So here now I'll specify JSON writer dot write property name dot write property name. I can specify my label, perch status, and then I can say here JSON writer dot write value. This time I have to specify value, so I can get value from my perch table dot perch status. Okay, but one thing to keep in mind, it might return as an integer, so I'm going to say convert this to a string. So I can use my enum to str function here, and I will save this. Okay, now the third perch ID is this one. Now I need the vendor account, so I can say vendor account here. I will again say the same thing, JSON writer dot write property name, and then again JSON writer dot write value, and from my perch table I can use my vendor account, or the field should be account number probably. Account, let me check. Okay, it's order account. Okay, I can say perch table dot order account. All right, now this is going to create a JSON, something like this for me. Okay, for sure the values will change because I'm taking this purchase order. Now at the end I want to see this output as well, so I am going to use the info statement, info strfmt. I'll say JSON output, and here I will say %1, and from my string writer, because this is going to have my actual data. Okay, I can use this toString function. Okay, and I think this should be also closed. Okay, I think we should be all set. So let me build this, and then we'll check. Alright guys, so the build is completed, and you can see we have successfully created JSON here. So if you copy this, I'll copy this, and you can go here and let me say beautify JSON. Let me open this, and you can see we are getting the exact output. Okay, this one. Okay, alright, so this is how you can create a simple JSON. The only thing is that you need an input output writer, so we have used this string writer here, Then for our JSON creation, we need this, JSON text writer here. So we pass our string writer here. Then we simply find our purchase order table. And then here we started our object, we end our object. And between that, we simply provided our property name. Okay, what should be property at left hand side, at right hand side what value we need. Similarly again the LHS, RHS, LHS, RHS, and at the end all the data will be residing here. So I simply use this toString and it shows me the output. So in our next video we will build some complex with objects plus arrays. Yeah, thanks for watching this video.